If you wondered how to create lifelike professional voiceovers without hiring a voice actor, welcome to our labs tutorial where we'll discover the power of AI-generated voices. In just a few simple steps, we'll show you how to transform your scripts into captivating audio content that sounds natural and engaging. Let's unlock the future of voiceovers together. So hi guys and welcome. In this video I'll show you step by step how you can create professional AI generated. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into ElevenLabs.io. You have here first information like here we have AI audio. You can just transform text to speech, speech to speech, text to VX, voice cloning, voice isolator. In products we have projects here, dubbing studio, audio native, voice over studio, and voice library. And here we have also APA solution first scale. We have enterprise, teams, creators, and we have about industries. We have publishing, media and entertainment, and conversational EA. About Pro APA, we have here various information before getting started. So we have supercharger projects with the most powerful AI audio APA, have a high quality low latency turbo model, and we have built faster than ever, easy integration on any web page, enterprise ready. We have see how developers and businesses are leveraging speech APA. We have here APA plans that scales with you, and we have here some frequently asked questions like can I get support during the integration process. So we have here the answer if you click over plus. You can just read more understand about this information about this website, sorry. So let's come back to the top here and click over pricing to know if it's free or not. So it's absolutely for free and for individual who wants to try out the most advanced AI audio. So we have here 10k character per month. We have here generate speech in 32 languages using thousands of unique voices, translate content with automatic dubbing. We have create custom synthetic voices, generate sound effects, API access, and we have other things. And if we come back to the home page here, we have also here company about anti-safety block of cars. You can just click over the one you want and get started. So then we have in the home page here create the most realistic speech with our AI audio platform, pioneering research in text-to-speech, AI voice generator, and more. So you can just click over get started for free or just. But before that, let's give it a try. So we have the first things here. You can just use text to speech, speech to speech, dubbing also, text to VX, and voice cloning. We have here a powerful lion rodent and the African savanna. Also we have here the sound of waves crashing against a large rock in the ocean. Also fireworks exploding in the night sky and a dog barking in the park. Also, we have here voice cloning. We have Lily, the original one, and the clone one. We have here Chris, original one, and the clone one. We have also here Laura, the original one, and the clone one. So here you can choose the language you want. We have here various languages. You can also use tell a story, introduce a podcast, create a video voiceover, and choose the actor you want. You have here Brian, Alice, Bill, Callum, Charlie, Charlo, Chris, Daniel, Eric, George, Jessica, Laura, Liam, and the various things. So if we scroll down, we have here other information like voices fit for all of your ideas, and also we have here making content universally accessible. Also we have here complete voice AI tools, AI safety at ElevenLabs, and we have here AI audio solutions for any skill or needed. We have creators, teams, enterprise, and we have here our creative side of AI audio tools, reimagines professional workflows. We have our latest updates, and we have here create with the highest quality of AI audio. So to get started, all you have to do is click over get started for free. You write your email and your password, then you confirm it by your email, and this is the homepage how it looks. So first of all, we have here a various information and the various options. Like first of all, here we have generate or history. We have here simple and advanced. So you write what you want here and you choose the action you want. Then you have your settings, you choose the language you want. You have here more than 26. As you can see, we have here also stability. We can just return it more variable or more stable. And similarity, we have low or high, self exaggeration, style, and you can switch on or switch off speaker boost here. Then that's it with settings. Then if we click over voices, we have here personal voices, community, default, and here we choose the voices type, original, instant, or generated, and here we have recently used, and you can add a new voice. Then you have here sound effects. You can just describe your sound effect and then click generate. And settings, here we have automatically pick the best length, prompt influence. If influence, you can just return it's more creative or follow prompt, and then you generate sound effects. And also we have here explore. We have here animals, bass, booms, drums, brass, cymbal, and we have other things and the various niches about voiceovers. And in the history, here we have generate sound effects, and also in we have here projects, voiceover studio. You can just add a video by clicking to upload or drag and drop in your file, or you can create voiceover. You have also here dubbing video. What can you use dubbing for? So the first things, we have social media content, media and entertainment, marketing, education and learning. And we have here selected source, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, or Vimeo, other URL, and then you create. Also, it detects the language and target language. Then you write here entitled. Then if you click over audio native, you can just click over here
Logic will
and get
get you
started
from
with
A
audio
to B.
native.
Imagination will take you everywhere.
And the last thing we have here, voice isolation. You can just click over here and upload audio, or you can just record your own audio. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. That's it with ElevenLabs.